Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. It's very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open the WhatsApp application, then open any chat and tap on the attachment icon. Then tap on gallery, scroll down and select any photo that you want to set as your profile picture. After that, tap on the HD option from the options available on the top. Then two options for photo quality will appear. Select the second option, HD quality. Now the quality of this photo is enhanced. Tap on the send button. Next, what you have to do is to save this HD picture. For that, tap on the picture, then tap on three dots on the top right corner and select save option from the drop down. Now this picture is saved in your gallery. Next step is to set it as your profile picture. For that, go to home screen of your WhatsApp, tap on three dots here at the top right corner, select the settings option, then tap on the profile at the top. After that, tap on the camera icon, then select gallery from the options available at the bottom and select the picture that you just saved. You can also resize it and adjust it according to your requirement. Then tap on done and the process completed. This is how you can set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality.